Hi, Sarah. How can I help you today?
Hey, my door lock is acting up. It's not closing properly. Can you help me out?
I can definitely help. Could you tell me a bit more about the issue?
Yeah, it's kind of stuck. I have to push it really hard to get it to lock. It's been actually annoying me for a while.
Got it. Thanks for the details. When would be a convenient time for us to send a locksmith to take a look at your door?
I'm usually free in the afternoons.
Excellent. I have scheduled a ticket for this Thursday afternoon at your address. The locksmith, Mike, will be there between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. And also, when it comes to your door lock, a quick tip: avoid using excessive force. It's always better to get it fixed promptly to prevent any further damage.
Good advice. I'll keep that in mind.
Great. Within the next few minutes, you will receive a text message with a link to your ticket that can be used to track the progress of your request. Additionally, feel free to reach out to me for updates in your preferred language. I can assist you in over 250 languages.
Thank you for your help.